So I think the consumer gets shortchanged. There's no legal criteria. I'm not saying there has to be or should be, but there's no guidelines to say, here's how you tell us how you trained your models, on what amount of data. How do you know it wasn't biased? What was missing in it? How did you clean it up?
Right.
People don't even know how to ask those questions.
And the thing to think about too when it comes to actually reading data, right, is AI won't exist without data. You need
That's
good
right.
data structure and governance to actually have AI work like effectively for create any sort of value. But the real challenge here, well, one of the real challenges, it's human bias, right, in that
Yeah.
data, right?
hmm
AI is going to look at that. And if you look at a lot of data, especially data that's referencing other data, AI will look at that too. It's like, oh, well, this seems to be more correct because this was what I'm seeing more often, right? There's a higher probability of this is being the right answer. And AI is going to look at that. And a lot of models are designed that way to look at whatever the majority says is truth
That's
or
right.
what it perceives as truth.
That's exactly right. And if the majority is wrong, which it certainly can be, then the model comes out. And I know it kind of comes back full circle, but this comes back to what I said a few minutes ago about the trust issue. How much can you trust the output?